Hello guys, Wild Beast here. Today we will be building a 40k full PC build. So if you ask me what is full PC build, it will also consist of a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse and everything. The prices have increased a lot guys, so we'll not be using a GPU here. We'll be using a APU, and if you ask me what APU, it's going to be Ryzen 3 3200G. It is an APU guys. It comes with Radeon 8 graphics, which is really good. You may get around 90 to 100 fps in 720p gaming. So we'll buy this. It's 13,500. Coming to the motherboard, we'll be using Asus EX A320M gaming. So this comes with an RGB strip, and also it has a M.2 slot, and it has 4 RAM slots, and it very much supports AMD CPUs, so you can use it. So it's just 5,405. So now coming to the RAM, we'll be using an RGB RAM. So we'll be using a 16 GB RAM, and if you ask me the price, it will just shock you because it is just 8k, and Windows works faster with dual channel RAM, so I think you can get this. And for the PCU, we will be using Antix 500 volts PCU. This is just 2202. So let's get this also. Now coming to the cabinet, I'll give you 3 choices. So first, let's take Chipronics MX1 RGB. This is 2,400 rupees, and it comes with a RGB fan pre-installed in the back. So you can buy this, or I'll give you a second option, which is Chiptronics MX RGB mid-tower cabinet. So this is 2,400, but it comes with a fan, but not with the RGB fan. And the next is Zebronics Ironside. This, if you have a lot of budget, then you can buy this. See, it has a lot of RGB, it has a pre-installed rear fan also, and it has a lot of features. Coming to the storage, we'll be using an M.2 because our motherboard has an M.2 slot. And if you ask me for the secondary storage, we will just have nothing but because we have a tight budget, and we'll add it afterwards. Okay, so when you get money, add the secondary storage. So now we have finished the build, so we will go to peripherals. So today I will be using anti-sports combo. So it will have a mouse and a keyboard, and in the keyboard it is a mechanical keyboard, so you can take the keys and put it wherever you want. Now for the monitor, we will be buying Zepster 19-inch LED monitor. So this is 5,990. You can upgrade it afterwards if you want. For now, in the budget, let's just add this. We don't have any other choice. Now coming to the speaker, we'll be using Zebronics Zeb Warrior 2.0 media speaker. So this is an RGB speaker, so you can just connect it with your computer, which will spice up your desk. Now coming to the gaming performance, it will give you around 90 to 100 fps in GTA in 720p resolution, around 60 to 70 fps in 720p resolution for Tomb Raider. In Fortnite, we can get around 70 to 75 fps. So actually, not bad, guys. It's really a good build for 40k. Like the PC was around 33k, and the peripherals were around 40k. Not bad, nice. Okay, now comment down below what do you think about this build, and tell me if you will build this build or you want a dedicated GPU, because now in this price you can't add GPU on all. So this is the best build I've seen for this budget. So the total price is 41,043 rupees. So we have gone 1,000 rupees off board, but it's fine guys. It'll be, if you invest it on it one time, then you can use it forever. So it's fine guys, just 1,000 rupees, not a problem. So the PC was 33,000 rupees, and the monitor and that cost around 7-8,000 rupees. So that's it for today guys. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, Bye from Wild Beast. Bye.